Team 29 forecast.
And our first accumulating snowfall in 2 years falling on this Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. holiday. Here's a scene from Keith Smith from earlier this afternoon. Didn't give me his location, but you can certainly see everything plastered in white. It took a while, and now that the sun is down, better in terms of stickage and more widespread snow. There's the scene from Jim Carpenter here in Albemarle. Let's take a look at some of the numbers. 30 currently in Charlottesville, 27 in Madison. We've got 25 in Harrisonburg, 27 in Stanton, 28 in Palmyra. Temperatures won't drop off a whole lot tonight, but again, all the major thoroughfares dealing with the snow streaming from southwest to northeast. We'll zoom in on some areas. There may be a little bit more moderate snow in some of these darker blue shaded elements of the radar, but again, it's coming down light to moderate at times, but certainly road conditions are deteriorating across the region. We've got several more hours of accumulating snowfall, all this part of an area of low pressure off to our south and west, lifting up out of the Tennessee River Valley. It'll move off the coast by early tomorrow morning. So we've got several more hours of snow ahead. Take a look at the winter weather advisory. That continues until 7 o'clock for most locations. On average, most of us seeing between 2 to 4 inches of snow expected. Now, as you climb with the Blue Ridge Mountains, the Alleghenies out to the west could have localized higher amounts of snowfall, but 2 to 4 for our first snow of the season, pretty respectable. Temperatures, again, won't move a whole lot tonight. That's where they are currently, so that's where we'll stay, along with those icy conditions that'll take us into Tuesday morning, hence that first alert weather day that continues overnight and into tomorrow. Temperatures will be in the 30s, but we'll have some late day clearing, and again, the wind picks up tomorrow evening, and get ready for a frigid Wednesday. Wednesday will be the coldest day of the stretch. After morning lows in the single digits and teens, we'll have daytime highs only in the 20s and 30s, even bitter wind chills. Another bout of snow is possible Friday morning, and a reinforcing shot of Arctic air moves in here for the weekend. Here's a snapshot of Wednesday morning. These are wind chills. You got wind chill values in the single digits across much of central Virginia, sub-zero wind chills in the Shenandoah Valley. So that is bitter, and that will be a very cold day. So here we go with the snow, continuing up through the Tennessee River Valley, through the mid-Atlantic. This area of low pressure will lift off the coast by early tomorrow morning. Basically, this demarcation line of where we're seeing the snow really separates the really true Arctic air to a little bit milder air to the south and east. It's 59 in Atlanta. It's only 10 in St. Louis. And right there is that corridor of precipitation, which mostly is falling as snow. So here we are for the next several hours, at least till about midnight, and then it becomes more scattered. Won't be as widespread, but it'll still be snowing, taking us into the pre-dawn hours. And then we'll start with some cloudiness, some leftover snow showers or flurries in the morning, icy spots, temperatures in the 20s to around 30, some late day clearing, temperatures in the 30s during the day. And as I mentioned, Wednesday's bitter cold in the morning, single digits and teens with those wind chill values in the single digits and sub-zero. And then we've got Wednesday afternoon, upper 20s and low 30s. So the snow continues tonight along with icy areas, temperatures 25 to around 30 for tomorrow, at least through the morning, that first alert weather day. Temperatures in the 30s, mostly cloudy skies. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Cold mid-January stretch here this week. We'll watch the potential for a little light snow in here on Friday and another reinforcing shot of Arctic air here for the upcoming weekend. Take it slow and easy if you're venturing out tonight or certainly tomorrow morning.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much. And you can stay up to date on the snow, cold temperatures, and day-to-day forecasts with the Storm Team 29 Weather app. That free app lets you track the radar and get hour-by-hour forecasts and important